Hey, what's going on, guys? Here in front of us, we have my new watch that just came in the mail from Jomashop. This is going to be the SRPD71K2. And I was looking online to see where I could buy this watch, and it seemed that Jomashop had the cheapest price. So I was looking around, doing some research on the store, and it seems that a lot of people have purchased watches from them, so I decided to go ahead and give it a shot. And I figured it would be really good to make an unboxing video to show exactly how this thing showed up and to show you guys the watch. So let's go ahead and break into the box here. Let's cut open this top tape. Nice packaging, looks pretty good. Go ahead and rip open this top piece. As you can see there, open up the box. Have the box wrapped here in some paper. So that is empty. We're just going to set that off to the side. Let's just take a look here at what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and take this receipt off of here because I don't want to show my information, which I actually don't think it's on there. Actually, it is. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side. And the box itself looks to be in good condition. Just taking a look at it, I just wanted to see, if this looks like it's been moved around a lot. It looks like it's in decent shape. A little bit of a crease there on the side, but not too bad. Looks to be in pretty good shape. There's the SEIKO logo there. So we have a little pull tab here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look. Let me just set this paper off to the side here. And here we have a very nice presentation. Nice little pattern there. Let's go ahead and see. It looks like we have a little book here on the bottom. So it does have the instructions. And I'm just looking for like creases and things. And this looks to be in good condition. I don't think anybody has flipped through this book. Just kind of taking a look at it here. So everything looks good there. Let's go ahead and just set that off to the side for now and pull out the box. This is now empty. And we have another little piece of cardboard there that we'll set off to the side. And this is the nice SEIKO box. I really like that. Nice design. So let's go ahead and open it up. And here is the watch. Very nice. So still in the packaging here. Looks nice. Let's go ahead and pull it out. We have this nice little cushion here for the watch. Go ahead and just yank this out. Let's take a look at the tag here. So we do have the SEIKO tag, nice and shiny, looks to be in good condition. And we have the SRPD71K2. So the 71 is the color code. The K2 stands for the band, which is this more plastic style band, which is fine because I plan to get an aftermarket band anyway for my metal band. So there is the watch there. And wow, this thing looks fantastic. The pictures of this online do not do this thing justice. Let me go ahead. First thing I want to do is just take this microfiber. I want to get any of the dirt and debris off the front here so you all can see it. But man, that thing, the finish on this is unbelievable. Now, I am kind of nerding out right now. This is my first SEIKO, and this is my first unboxing of any watch here on the channel. And I am just blown away by how amazing this thing looks. So overall, very impressed. The condition of the watch looks to be really, really great. I have seen no blemishes or anything like that that look to be permanent. It looks to be in perfect condition. So I'm very excited about that. So far, 10 out of 10 for Jomashop. Everything looks to be in order. It looks good. The packaging was a little bit, looked like it had been moved around a little bit, but the contents inside were perfectly good. So I'm happy with that, and I'm very happy with the watch. I think it looks fantastic, and it looks to be in perfect condition. Very cool. Super, super cool, man. I'm stoked about this. It's got a good sound, too. Overall, very nice. I like it. Now, I will have links to this watch down in the video description on both eBay and Amazon and Jomashop if you guys are wanting to check this out. I paid about $180 for this on Jomashop, but it seems that they have sales on this watch all across the multiple stores. So I would be sure to check out all the different stores to see where you can get the best price from. But I paid about $180 for this watch, and it seemed to be a very good deal. So I'll have those links down in the video description if you guys are interested in checking them out. So this is the unboxing of the SRPD71K2. I will be doing some more in-depth videos of this, getting some nice macro shots and really showing every single little detail after I've worn this watch for a while and talking more about it. So if you're interested in that, be sure to tune into my channel and subscribe. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed.